Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. This is Miss Bryant here with your announcements, and I am joined today by
Fabian,
Logan, Isabella,
and this fox. Okay, so it's January. No, it's December, but almost January, and we have a holiday in front of us. I put the list of things that are happening in January, especially the 10th is the last day for late assignments. And then so you can read that, but there's an info night on the 14th. That's a Tuesday. The week after we return, look, it's the 20th. There's no school. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. There's no school on that Monday because there's a holiday, Martin Luther King Day. Oh my goodness, and there's no school on that Friday. So the very last week of the semester is a 3-day week. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And then the new semester starts on the 27th. Shortly after that, we have 7th grade conferences.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not ready for
Did you know that there's a share table? I see that most people don't tend to actually notice it, but if you can't get a meal from the actual thing,
cafeteria.
you can go to the share table and see if what you want is there.
Yeah.
Pretty useful.
And some people, if they don't want their food, then they just put their food over at the share table, and the other people can have it. Also, Ella Chang designed this in the Graphics Design Club. Thank you, Ella.
It is very beautiful.
I love the Graphics Design Club. They're bringing art to us.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Next one.
And on Friday, January 10th is the last day for late work collection for the semester, and 6th and 7th grade feed into the high school choice process.
Yeah.
Get that work in.
Yeah, get your work in. So this is an important time of development, and also your grades in 6th and 7th grade help determine the most rigorous programs that you get access to. So if you're going through struggle and turmoil in these years, then it might just limit the amount of high schools that you can go to, but that is okay. There's a lot of and also not everyone should really be in the most extremely rigorous programs.
As long as you get a good education, it doesn't matter what type of school it is.
Yeah, and there's so many amazing options, including the IVA high school. Okay.
All right, so we'll leave you to guess these beautiful babies. There's one 6th grader and one 7th grader. Very beautiful. So yeah.
Look at these cuties.
One of them.
You do?
By
Who do you
heart.
think it is?
The one under the Guess Who is Shanti.
Do we think this is Shanti?
I think
And
so.
this is a 6th grader. I think if you're in 6th grade and you look around the class, you might know who this is. Guess who? Okay, annual family fund. Every year, we have to raise money to keep our small class size. So what we try to do is say, really, if it was $250 per student, then we would raise our money automatically. But I know that not everyone can give that much, and some people can give more. What we're trying to do is have everybody give something. So our goal is by February 7th, everyone has given something. If you have given so far, you've been entered into raffles, and we will have more raffles when we return. We're also going to have grade level participation, so winning a free dress day or winning a popsicle or whatever for those. So if you haven't donated, ask your family to do it. It's good for taxes before the end of the year.
Donate, and if you don't, I will come to your house.
For dinner.
Yeah. Sure.
I don't remember who's.
All right,
Well,
I'll do this one.
Thanks,
Annual
Fabian.
Families Fun Prizes. Little foxes whose families donated. Big fox before tax.
Yeah. So today at Tag. Today at Tag. See how Logan's holding this office box? Well, this one has only been touched
What? No.
by a very few people, like Miss Wee May and myself, and it is precious. No, they can't. They're not allowed to touch it. It's going to be raffled off today, and then so far,
So far, I don't remember their names, but
Ava and Eliana,
Yeah.
8th graders, have won our cute little foxes.
because they donated. So
Yeah,
if
they
you
did.
guys want to get your chance at winning a big fox like this, I suggest you do something about it.
Yes, get your family to donate. So, block 6 today.
Annual family fund prizes begin. The little fox is to anyone whose family has donated, and the big fox that is the one is like that Logan's holding will be before tag.
You might want to get that.
And so today in Block 6, you're going to get your school photos if you have ordered by December 2nd. And then also, if you get a button, it means that your family has donated. This is a good way for you to know whether your family has donated or not.
I think my family turned in my photos.
Fabian, tell us what this is.
All right, so for cross country winners and holiday taggers, we will win medals for Sophia, Juliet, Maya, and Mia,
Italy.
Adam, Sabrina, and Lily.
You guys are going, well, first of all, well done in the cross country season.
Congratulations.
Yay! Where is it? You get a medal. And it
epic
even
medal.
says IVA on the back. It's
That's
so
adorable.
cool. Plus, our cross country girls won 2nd place in the entire division. Check it out. And our cross country girls won 1st place in the entire division. What in the world?
Wait, what?
Huh.
1st and 2nd place?
How do you do
Oh, I don't know. Our teams are amazing.
that? It's somehow literally in 2 spots. That makes no
I know.
sense.
Our athletes are so good. And you know what I realized also is that a lot of our students, when they leave IVA and go to so many different schools, they go to like really intentional programs, but a lot of them do athletics. Like it's a way to be involved in the school. I'm really excited about basketball tryouts. Cross country winners. Here-
After
Yeah, go ahead.
the cross country winners, the cross country winners are going to be it in in the holiday infection tag. Basically, if you are it, which most of y'all are gonna be eventually, you need to have your hands out like this, like running
a
around.
five.
You
I've
are
been
going to
tagged.
get a
I'm
high
infected.
five.
And
I'm
then
gonna get you.
I'm
But
gonna
if you are not,
infect
if you are not infected, I suggest. Well, no, I not suggest. It's the
You
rule.
have
If
to
you don't
be
follow this,
holding up a
you
peace
have to be
sign.
holding.
I
up
am
a
not
peace
infected.
sign. Just remember that. So
Infected,
that
not
after school
infected.
today, or well, not after school, but sometime around near the end of school today.
Really
We will
soon.
have infection very soon. Have good. Yes.
Okay, so and we'll also play a lot of really wonderful holiday music. This is how we're ending the way. Okay, so here's the directions. Once you're released from your class, bring out your backpacks. I think this should happen at about 3:05. Bring out your backpacks and go by the cinder block wall for the tag game. If you're a cross country medal winner, go behind the microphone because you guys are going to be the ones who are infected, and you're the fastest in the whole school, so you're going to infect all of us. If you have an annual family fund button that you received in Block 6 today, go to in front of the microphone because before we start infecting everybody, you're going to get this happy fox.
No, this one.
No, not the
want to
used
touch
one, the
it.
new one.
No,
And
you're gonna have this.
To all of you, from all of us,
Happy
holidays!